Okay guys, so today we're going to make a breadfruit soup with chicken bones, other vegetables and ground provisions. So these are all the ingredients we're going to use in order to make our soup here. So here I have the chicken bones, which I seasoned with my green seasoning, with some adobo seasoning, some ginger powder, some garlic powder. That's what I seasoned the chicken bones with. It does have some meat on it still. Here we have some garlic. Here I have some spring onions, some Greek basil, some parsley, some shadow benny. Here we have the breadfruit. We have some green fig or green bananas, some sweet potatoes, some Christophine, some carrots, some dasheen, and some pumpkin. So these are all what we're going to use to put in our soup. So I have a breadfruit tree, and a lot of breadfruit has fallen to the ground, so I decided let me make another dish with the breadfruit. So I decided I'm going to add it in with the soup. So let's get started and putting everything together. Oh, I forgot. We also have in the back here, we have some coconut milk and we have some chicken broth that we're going to use to put in our soup as well. All right, so let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to add some avocado oil to my pot, and I'm just going to saute the garlic. Okay, now I'm going to add in my chicken bones. Alright, we're going to just leave this to brown a little. Okay, so now I'm going to add in my the different herbs here. So I'm adding in the parsley, the Greek basil, the shadow benny, and the spring onions. Everything goes in there. I'm going to add in the ground provisions and the vegetables as well. Alright, so let's add in the liquid. So this is the liquid from the seasoning of the chicken bones. I'm going to add in the chicken broth. I'm also going to add in the coconut milk. And I'm also going to add in a little more chicken broth as well. I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of salt. Alright, so we're going to leave this to cook until everything is nice and soft. Okay guys, so our soup is now completed. So once again, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification, give the video the thumbs up, and of course don't forget to share with family and friends.